Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a casting named Drift Box. As you can see, it's by Hot Wheels and it's new for 2026. It looks like a classic hatch with some modification. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Drift Box out of its box. The very first thing you will notice is the shape is very similar to I think 80s or early 90s hatchbacks from Europe. So you had hatchbacks from Citroen, Peugeot, and Volkswagen. They had all same basic shape like this. So it looks like it's based on those, and had obviously has a lot of modifications. And if you look at the car, the paint and the polka dots, it basically says dots Hot Wheel Drift Shop. So dots are because of that. And even on this side, on the driver's side, you can notice there are so many, like this is flared, this is customized. So it's a heavily modified car, mainly made for drifting. We can start from the front. So in the front, you can see there's an intercooler. It looks like there are fog lamps there. Might be something else. In place of a headlamp, you have an opening. You do get a hood with some vents in it, and a windscreen which has like a straight thing going in between. Looks like a twin screen. I don't know why. Doesn't have any mirrors. I think they don't need it for drifting. Now let's move back to the driver's side. Wheels we have seen on so many different Hot Wheels, different sizes. Front is smaller, here is bigger. Interior is done in white. You can see some nice seats, steering wheel, and as I said before, you can see it's heavily modified. So got flared wheel arches, boxy. Rear window is partially blocked, again a metal piece there. Now coming to the back, you get this huge wing and don't get any detail on tail lamp or anything. You do have a place for number plate, I don't know why. Everything is blacked out. You do get big diffusers in the bottom. Passenger side looks almost identical, don't see any difference. If you see from the top, you can see how big the wing is and how flared the wheel arches are. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So the question, how good is the casting? Well, for a mainline, looks alright. Definitely looks something that will be good for drifting, I guess. But again, overall decent details on this one. Obviously, can't reference it from anything because it's not any actual car. But I think it looks good, and the few of the drift cars Hot Wheels had done recently, I think this will go good with that pack. I do like the paint though. Well, did forget to mention it's new for 2026, and I think it does look good. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day.